Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Easter everyone. I hope you're having a lovely weekend and enjoying your chocolate eggs if you're having them. I just wanted to share with this really cute Easter card I made this year. I have gone with a bunny again, but I've made one out of felt and I've put him in a little pot of greenery. It could be that there was carrots in there and he's ate them all, but it's a really easy, simple thing to do. You just have to cut all the shapes out and put them all, assemble them all together. So I'm just going to let you watch it. It's really self-explanatory, so I don't need to talk you through it. So enjoy that, and then I'll just recap at the end. So just to recap, I mean, all the equipment you need really is just sequins, which are, you can get like a whole sort of sheet of them for £1. I have used felt on this make, but you could easily just use coloured paper or card and just to cut the shapes out, or tissue paper or crepe paper. So it's really, as with all of my makes, I just go with what I've got lying around. I used some coloured card for the pot and then put some tracing paper over the top of it. But again, you could use tissue paper, or you don't actually have to put the fanned out corrugated bit on, but I think it does add a little something to the pot. And just when you've got all your bits assembled, it's just a case of cutting them out into the various shapes. I did get the Easter wheel stencil. I think I got that from the works for £1 or something to make out the inside Happy Easter. But again, you could just write it yourself, or just get some easy stencils and just spell out the words yourself. So you can make this with whatever you've got lying around. But as always, I do think a homemade card does just give that lovely personal touch for those special people in your life. So I hope you've enjoyed my little Easter card make. Stay tuned for more crafting and always dollhouse, decor, shopping, etc. So as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.